Hey everyone, in this video we're going to do an experiment that involves changing the color of fire. Now remember, this is not something you want to experiment with at home, so just leave this to us.
Alright, so you guys might notice that fire changes color sometimes. At home, on a gas stove, fire might look blue. Or if you're outside in a campfire, fire might be bright orange. So today we're going to find out why fire has different colors and how to change these colors.
So, the first thing we need to learn about is atoms. Atoms are the smallest pieces that make up everything around us. Basically, everything in the universe is made out of tiny atoms that no one can see.
Atoms are made of three parts: neutrons, protons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons make up most of the atom and form the core of the atom. Electrons are tiny particles that move around the core of the atom, like the moon orbiting the Earth.
Now, electrons circle the protons and neutrons at different distances away from the core. These different distances are called energy levels, and electrons can move to different energy levels based on many factors. In today's experiment, the electrons are going to move energy levels due to the heat of the fire. The fire gives a lot of energy to the electrons, which causes it to move up energy levels. When electrons move energy levels, that means they become excited. But these electrons stay excited for just a moment, and so they need to calm down. To calm down and return to the energy level that it was originally in, the electron needs to lose the energy they gained from the fire.
So, when an electron gets excited and moves far away from the atom and moves back, it can create light. Think of a game of tennis. When you throw the ball out and with a loud whack, the other person sends it back to you. This whack is the same as the light that's made. When you serve the ball, you make a whack too. And this is what the fire does. It serves the electron, and the whack, when the electron comes back, makes the light. Alright kids, the first tool we're using is a Bunsen burner. And this is it right here. What this does is it takes natural gas and burns it to create a fire. And now this fire is going to provide us energy to excite the electrons in the chemicals we're going to be burning today and give off some amazing colors.
And right here are the 6 different chemicals we're going to use today to create all these different bright colors that you'll see very soon. The first chemical we're going to use is potassium chloride. Now let's see what color this is going to become. And that's a nice bright orange. Now we have a lithium chloride solution. This one's a nice bright color. Let's see what it is. You see it's like a nice bright red.
Alright, the chemical we have now is calcium chloride. Let's see. As you guys can see, this one's a nice bright orange.
Now the next one we have is a solution of copper. This one's a little harder to see the colors, so make sure to look nice and tight. As you can see, it's a slight bit green in the middle right there. It's a little hard to see, but hopefully you caught it.
Alright, the chemical we have now is strontium chloride. Can you guys guess what this color is going to be? Wow, it's a nice blood orange, almost red. Alright, this is our last chemical. This one's NaCl, also known as salt. As you can see, it's a nice, bright, yellowish orange. You guys see that? Wow.